Hey guys! Thanks for turning back into the channel and hello there for the brand new people. My name is Tania and today's video is going to be Moncler try on haul and modeling video. This is my first Moncler try on haul video of 2023. Yeah, I mean the season has started, it's been cold, it's been warmer, but definitely we are back into the winter season and it's time to review some brand new Moncler coats. You know, a lot of you guys ask me what jackets I have tried this season, and basically this season I've tried Armada short down jacket as well as the Os Chenille down jacket. They are short jacket. Armada was almost like a crop jacket, but something in between. So it's not like super cropped and it's not technically a short jacket. It's more like on a crop side. Yeah, at first I liked it, but then I thought maybe it's not very impressive. You know, I was looking for more stuff. I was thinking to get the one with the real fur trim, but I haven't decided which jacket to go with because, yeah, I mean, I have too many jackets and it's still on my wish list, okay? And also, a lot of you guys asked me to review oversized jackets. Here we go. Today, I'm gonna be reviewing oversized jackets. I have 3 jackets. Okay, this one, just a sneak peek of the other one, and this jacket. And this one, a lightweight cotton puffer with nylon lacquered lining. So you can see even on the camera the lining has a lot of shine. Yeah, so it's a shiny lacquered finish. It has long sleeves with ribbed cuffs. And also made of cotton. Okay, 2 zipped front pockets and also iconic patch pocket on the chest with small snap button closure. Yeah, so it's very helpful to have this drawstring feature. You can adjust it to your comfort level and make it more make the jacket more fitted. Another feature that I wanted to point out is suspenders. This jacket was originally designed in 1954 for the first expedition to K2, and now this is back again, so it's a forward-looking design. So yes, it was designed so many years ago, and basically it was worn by Italian explorers Lionel Sadelli and Achille Campagnoli. So these 2 Italian climbers conquered the second highest mountain on the planet in 1954. The entire expedition was equipped by Moncler parkas. I'm always fascinated with climbers, with people who go and conquer, you know, those high peaks, and yeah. So basically, I don't know if if you guys into this, I would suggest to get this jacket. So what's nice about this jacket is that both styles, like the men's version and female's version, is the exact same jacket. So if you are struggling between sizes, if you need a bigger size, you may consider men's jacket and vice versa. So if you need a smaller one, you can go with female jacket. I really like the idea of 1954 expedition parka recreation. That's great. What I'm a little bit confused is the cotton thing. You know, it's I don't know if it's gonna be durable enough because it's white and it's cotton, so I don't know how you're gonna clean it. That's my first concern. This jacket is oversized, so to be honest with you guys, I don't know how I will look in this jacket. I think I will be like a balloon, you know. But it looks great on a tall, skinny model. It looks amazing, and also it looks great on men. So I'm gonna try this on, and we'll see. The next jacket is Herault. I'm trying to sound French. Take a look at this beauty. Oh my god. Another inspiration. So the first one was inspired by 1954 expedition to K2 summit. So this one is something different. This one is inspired by 70s alpine wear. So this jacket is crafted from coated nylon. The black one is also from lacquered nylon finish, but yeah, the Herault is definitely has much more shine, and it's something, I don't know, like yeah, I mean like galaxy shine or whatever. Yeah, the jacket features two pockets with snapping button on each pocket, two-way zipper, and also snaps. Crafted from coated nylon. It's down-filled. It has a hood. Yes, it does. And a lot of you guys ask if the jacket has cartoons. Yeah, here we go. Check this out. The jacket comes with the belt with a buckle closure. I love this jacket. It's just one of the best designed jackets of the season. Color is amazing. Definitely all eyes are gonna be on you. Like I said earlier, it's inspired by 70s. It's inspired by 1970s alpine wear fashion. And yet it's not a ski jacket. It has a lot of downfeel. But it doesn't have any ski jacket features. It doesn't have any inserts, no snow skirt. What I don't like about this jacket is the pockets. I don't know if you guys can see from here, but they look like there is a padding filled with water, you know. They look like they've been filled with a lot of stuff, you know. It's probably part of the design, but I don't know, this is not my thing. I'm not sure about this, but it looks lovely. The last jacket review from my entire Moncler trunk haul and modeling video is Maire. Yeah. So you guys tell me all the time that Maire is the best Moncler jacket, as well as Maire. I think Maire is the men's version, right? Correct me if I'm wrong. I think Maire is men's and Maire is female version. If you guys follow me on my YouTube channel, you should remember I was reviewing Maire jacket last year, and it was in red. It was true red color. Yeah, at first I was like, I don't need a Maire because I have Beatty, and Beatty is very similar to Maire jacket. It's shorter and it's more fitted, and it doesn't have the drawstring feature, but other than that, it is similar. And yet I decided to get Maire and try it again, and maybe I will keep it. The puffer has two front zip pockets. It has a removable hoodie. It says it's removed. You can remove the hoodie with snaps. The hoodie is fixed with snap buttons and you can take it off if you don't like it. It has elastic cuffs with a snap button for a better adjustment. There are 2 adjustment modes and you can adjust to your comfort level. A 2-way zipper. And also there is a drawstring at the back, and you can adjust it to your comfortable level. It's one of the best-selling jackets from Moncler. It's classic and yet it's contemporary, as it has all features to be contemporary. And this is something that it will stay in your wardrobe for many years. So this is size 0, and so it feels that it's not my size, but the inseam of the sleeve is not long, so I don't know. It feels like maybe it's supposed to be shorter. Did you like any of the jackets? I think Maire was a bit oversized and this is kind of, it's fine, but the pockets look like, you know, balloons and feels like, you know, like padded water, plastic, whatever. And I'm not talking about the white one, it's just over the board. It's like it's like an expedition jacket. I don't know if I need it. Anyway, please let me know what you think about the jackets that we've seen today, and see you guys next time. Bye.